Um, so, hi guys, we are back from the train trip in Avatar World. Apparently, they did not have the place where we expected to go to, and it is apparently like really cold outside, like a snowstorm or something. I don't know how to say it. So we are just inside. Jake is getting the groceries from the grocery store, a bunch of water. There's going to be a water outage, and then we actually are going to go to bed, maybe watch a Christmas movie if we can. But, yeah, that's all I know so far. And then... yeah, that's all we're gonna do for tonight. And then we are also gonna unbox our suitcases. Well, not unbox, but take all the things out, you know what I mean. And then yeah, let's just get into this video. Also, give me one moment. I need to use the bathroom. Oops, sorry. I think this laundry should be done. Oh, sheesh, that smells good. I'll start with mine first because, us ladies also need respect from men. And then maybe I can put my beauty supplies in here. Yep. Exactly. Oh, my lipstick. Toothbrush. This might take a while, so I will see you guys in the next part. Okay, guys, so, we are... now we are headed to the grocery store because apparently, Jake is stopping at the gas station. So, yeah. And also the kids are going to be bringing their tablets because it's going to be a long drive through the snow. I'll show you when I get downstairs. And then, yeah. So let's go. Okay. Mom, is it that cold to where I have to put my shoes on? Yes, you may. Okay. Hey, that's a rhyme! I know! Okay, let's go. Okay, kids. Wow, it's weird outside. Anyways, where's my tablet? Take my phone. Fine. The Christmas tree looks cute. I know, Santa will come if you behave in like 5 days or something. Okay, let's go. Emma, I'm gonna play Roblox. Okay, I'm gonna start driving. Can I play too? Sure, let's play this ice cream obby. I just realized that the Wi-Fi is off. Dang it! How about you play that Sago Mini Life World, whatever it is? They have really cute babies in there. Okay, but if not, I'm gonna play something else. Is it working, sweetie? No, it's not. I'm playing a Race Story Doc 2. I'm gonna try and find a duck. Sweetie, don't erase that thing. Where's the duck? I need to find the duck. Finally. Okay, actually, I'm gonna play cat escape. Phoebe, what are you doing? I'm trying to take something with me. I did this before when I was in the... Ooh, yay! Gosh, Phoebe. Hey, plant. I know I don't usually... Ah! Phoebe, do you mind playing something else? No! Oh, please don't end up like the other. Yay! Yay! Oh, now my phone died. Oh. Well, there is a snowstorm, so that makes sense. Did you think about all the electrical wires? Look out your window! And I'm not opening it. Oh man, I love the snow. Bad, bad. Awkward silence. Okay. Open the window. I said don't open the window. What are you laughing about? Oh, nothing. Just thinking if you were a snowman. What? What? Avery, stop. Okay, we're here at the grocery store. Wow, this gas station looks cool. Hello, sir. What would you like? I'm here to get the gas. Not the big old calories. What? Not buying. Can I get a soft serve drink? Sure. Any pizza? Yeah, maybe some pepperoni and some cheese. Okay, sir. Your pizza is gonna be ready in 15 minutes. Okay, thank you. Oh, it's been like 17 minutes. Oh man, this is my first shift at night. I'm so scared. Mommy! Hides behind corner. Sir, your food is ready. Okay. Aggressive lady. What? What? In the name of Alvin and the Chipmunks. Nothing. Can I have a pizza? Oh, yeah, sure. Sure. Here you go. The drinks will also be inside. Inside? Okay, thanks. You're welcome. Next customer? Oh, this pizza place is the weirdest. Anyways. Bye. Regret what you said about the pizza place. I will. Not. Okay, we are here at the grocery store. It's time to go. And we probably need a few things because Dad probably stepped by the the gas station, bought us some pizza or something. So we'll just get a few things, and then tomorrow, if I have the time, I can in real life, school is actually off tomorrow, and so is winter camp. So I'll see what I can do tomorrow to shop more for groceries. Can somebody hold the baby? I will. Okay, kids, stay here. Stella's gonna take care of you. Hi, kids, come over here. We have our ball place. Ball place? Yeah! They can play in that. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, but it's kind of already closing, so would you like a little toy to play with? Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay, I'll go to the staff room. Hey, sorry. Hey, do you still have the surprise for them? I'm really scared to give it to them. Yes, I do. It's right here, all the cakes. Okay, thanks, Betty. This looks cute. Here you go. Wow, thank you. Y'all kids can come behind here. I'll protect. Okay, I will go handle this now. Let's get some cereal. We're having pizza. So, yeah. Oh, sorry, madam. Oh, no, you're fine. Maybe some of this, some bananas, tomato or something. I'll make my own cake. Why not? Oh, a pineapple. And then a frog. Ooh, cute. Smells good too. Maybe a loaf of bread. Some meat for tomorrow. You never know what could happen. I'll take some butter. And some cheese. Why not take the yogurt too? On sale, water for your whole family. On sale, including mineral water and canned sparkling water. On sale. What? Oh my God. I'm gonna get that water first. Pushes out of the way. Hey! Pushes even more. And, gives him the loser sign. Excuse me? Yes, this water is mine. Mommy! Okay, time to go. Oh, Betty has I have a surprise for you, after you're checking out. Meet me where I work, over here. Okay. Time to check. Dude! Sorry, I haven't ate in at least 6 weeks. Shouldn't you be dead by now? No. I'm one of those Libras. The zodiac sign? Yeah. Sheesh! You mad ad. Last pineapple on sale. Hey, that was my pineapple! Not anymore. So I don't eat the pineapple. Good job actually doing your work. Better not eat my frog cake. My fingers are literally shaking while I do this. Okay. And then somebody will help you to bag if you could just put your basket over there. Okay. Mia, I need you over here to come back. Okay, Truffles, says Mia. Oh. Mom, can we get an ice cream? It's too cold for ice cream. Okay. Sheesh, I'm always on board to bag. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, the surprise. I'm here for the surprise. So, I know this snowstorm has been a lot of coldness for you, so I decided, why don't I give you some free cinnamon rolls and more? Thank you very much. I'll pay you $50. Oh, no, you're fine. Okay, thank you. And then I will make my own cake for at least like 10 more bucks. Okay? Pick another fruit. Grape. Cake. Looks cute. Thank you. Come on, kids. Okay. Thank you, Miss Lady. Stella. Oh, you're welcome, kids. I'm very good. I have my two daughters and at least 3 boys. Okay. Whew, what a hot pocket. Don't you mean cold? Yes. Oh, time to unbox. You guys can chill. Thanks. Hey, so did I already tell you people about my dream? No, you haven't. What is it? Oh, it's about this chubby cake monster. And guess what? He was made out of cake, so I ate him. That's so funny. I know, right? Girls, can you stop talking about violence? It's a funny cake monster, Mom. And he was also a blob on the ground. Oh, that's fine. These girls, every second I leave them, talk about violence. Every second I step into the room, oh yeah, cakes and petties are pretty. What? Mom, you know we can hear you. To this point, I honestly don't even care. Fine. I'm sorry. I need to do it. We'll put the cakes and pastries up here. Ooh. That fell down real quick. Sorry. Very good desserts she picked out. Home sweet home. I actually thought this would be little groceries, but yet here I'm still unloading. I changed my mind, and the water, it actually wasn't that much. Whew. Dinner will be starting like right now or something, so get prepared. Okay, Mom. Maybe some of that. Let's put some butter like on pancakes or something. Actually, no. Ooh, you know what? A cheesy steak. I just thought about that. Cheese. Cheese. Wait for it to cook. Ah, come on, guys, you can change. Okay, the baby's already in her pajamas. We just gotta wait for Dad. Okay. Did you fart? Yeah, sorry. It stinks. It's such a small elevator. I know. Sheesh. I'm changing out of this. My outfit stinks. These. How much clothes do I have? A pretty big collection. Mom, stop accusing me. I don't even know what that word is. It's what you call Dad. Accusing? Nothing, Mom. He. She's fake laughing. I know, hon. Come on. I'm on my chill zone. Yeah. Wow. We're wearing that much clothes? No. Just no. No. Time for me to change. I think I'll go with my pink pajamas. I'm gonna wear your shirt, okay? Sure, let's head downstairs. Okay. Again? Sorry. What did you eat? I don't know. Your laughing sounds like Mom cutting up tomatoes to put in salad. Really? Really? Release! Okay. Oh no, Barky, I forgot about you. Oh no, poor boy. Oh no, we gotta put it in the bed. Put him in bed. Poor boy, about to freeze. No. Oh no, Barky. What did you do to ever deserve this? Oh no. I'm sorry. I think I stole your dog's clothes by accident. I was looking around. It was on your front porch. Sorry. It's fun since you let my dog freeze to death. Oh no, I'll pay back. I actually have a whole box right here. Sheesh, okay. Okay, I'll pay you back tomorrow. Okay, Barky, let's get you dressed up. I mean, you look freezing in that. Poor boy was freezing his life. I'll give him a banana. Thanks, Barky. Okay. Where's the pizza? Where's the pizza that Dad ordered? I'm hungry. He'll be here soon. I think that's Amazon. That's the same knock from last time. Go, rock and roll dog. Guys, please shush. Hi, this is an Amazon delivery. Jake, Calabars, Ballins, bought this for y'all. So, yeah. Oh, sorry for the inconvenience. Oh, no, you're fine. I don't even know what that means. I'm only like a 12-year-old. My mom told me to do it. Oh, no, you're fine. Would you like a snack or anything? Sure. Okay. I'll make a gingerbread man. I'm not really good at it anyways. Like a couple minutes later. Sorry, I tried my best. But you have a Merry Christmas with your loaf. Thanks, you too. Bye, bye. I wonder what deliveries. Seems weird. Ooh, what was that? Those are your Christmas presents. I'm so sorry, guys. What's this big thing? That's probably one of your Christmas presents, Mom. Yeah. Need to get Dad something. New shoes? Sure, sounds good. Let's go get it now. And then, I also got him a couple of t-shirts, some pants, and then I got him this pineapple hat and this dill pickle thing that I am now wearing. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoy this. Bye. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, cause you are my subscribers all day long. Hope, isn't it like 2 a.m. right now? Shouldn't we be in bed? Oh yeah, I never thought about that. Good night. Hope? Hope! Girl, I'm kidding. Come on, let's explore. Okay. Bye guys, like and subscribe.